Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick beginner friendly tutorial I will show you how to use Weweb in 2025 to build amazing front-end web apps all without coding. If you are just starting out or exploring on code tools, Weweb is super powerful and easy to use. Let's jump right in. First of all, we have to know this what is Weweb. Weweb is a non-code font end builder that lets you design website and apps visually, then connect them to APIs, database or backends like Xenon, Superbase and Airtable. It's like Webflow plus Babel, but focused on speed, control, and clean production grade fountains. Setting up your project, go to weweb.io and sign up for or login. Then click on to new projects. Here you can see this, the create, choose a template or start from a blank canvas. You will land in the editor, which is split into three main parts. Left is components panel, your UI elements, and center design canvas, and right for properties panel for styling and logic. Here you can see this. Now let's build a simple landing page together. So first step is add a section to your canvas. So click add element or drag in a section or containers. Here you can see this, the add element, and you can section container, then you can use the section. It takes some times. Then add text, buttons or image. Here you can see this, the panel, you can see buttons, add text. Here you can see from the left panel, drag in a text element. Here you can see this, and drag and to that. Change the heading size, color on the right panel. Then from the left panel, drag in a text element or button, change the heading size, or you on the right panel add a button, customize its label like get started, and style it with pending, padding, border, hover effects, etc. Then the next step is set up your layout. Use flexbox or grid. Here you can see this, the flexbox or grid settings to align things. Weweb gives you full control over responsive. Use the preview button on top to see. Here you can see this, the pure preview button, how it looks on desktop, tablet or mobile. Now let's connect dynamic data. Go to the data tab on the left. Here you can see this, you can see the data. Then you can connect REST APIs. Superverse, Xenon, Airtable and Google Sheets. Add, and second step is add an API. Click on add data source. Click add data source, choose your backend, enter your API URL and header like auth tokens. Then the step 3, bind data to your page. Once connected, you can repeat items dynamically, like showing a list of blog posts or users. Drag in a repeater, bind it to your data collection and insert elements like text and image inside the loop. It's all visual and real time, no coding needed. And adding logic or and workflow. Want to make your app interface, select a button or input, go to the workflow tabs, and you can see this. Add action like navigate to a page, send data, show alerts, trigger animation. When someone clicks submit, you can send from data to Xenon, or show a success message. You can even add conditions, variables and filters. It's super flexible. Once you are ready, click preview to test your app, then click publish and choose to host its own Weweb domain or connect your custom domain. You can also export clean HTML, CS or post to GitHub for full control. And that's it. You have just built and launched a simple app with Weweb, all without writing a single line of code. If this helped and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.